what we got going on. We have the operator program, links below. Hit me up on the email to talk about it, see if you're a good fit. This is $10,000 program, so it's not for everybody. Then we have the King program. That link's below. That's $3,000, and it has a payment plan. Or you can go ahead and get on the layaway plan to preserve your pricing for 2026. Also, everybody is going to get the new book, Dating the Woman You Want to Marry. I think it's one of my best books. It's clear and it's a template. So that's something that's going to happen this week as well. Plus, there's a few other things below. Get on the email list and other stuff. All that stuff's below. All right. There's a lot of people that say the economy is messed up. The economy is screwed up, right? I don't think so. The day after Christmas, me and my boo, we were at Walmart, packed. Went to Target, packed. Every time I get on the highway, I see all these new car tags. The economy's not messed up. Now, what's messed up are people's work habits, saving habits, and money management protocols. That's what's messed up. Because right now, there's a ton of opportunity. There's a ton of money in the economy. But are you prepared to pull that money and that economy out of the economy? Are you prepared to do the things you need to do to make yourself economically viable? The economy is just fine. It really is. However, you are not doing the things you need to do to grow in this economy. Now, one of the things I did, it's not on this channel, it's on the other channel, and I'll do that video probably the day after this one. But you need to work. You need to be working 7 days a week. If you're struggling financially and you're healthy and you're good to go, you need to be working 7 days a week. And then this is the thing you need to do. You need to take that extra money and throw it off in a savings account. Do not incorporate that money into your living budget. Don't do that. So, once again, everyone that signs up for the layaway program will get the free book, Dating the Woman You Want to Marry, which is really institutionalized. And there's other stuff. So, that's it. These are going to be short videos because the YouTube channel got hijacked. And because it got hijacked, YouTube has throttled the reach. So I'm just going to put these short videos up, just one a day for the next week or so until they start growing again. But the other stuff will be on my other channel, which is Hustlers Kung Fu Wealth Development. So that's where a lot of stuff is going because that channel hasn't been impacted by the hijacking. All right, that's all I got. I'll talk to you guys in the next one.